severe storm warning. Tornado Truck 1 and I were on our way to work, and we were just out here storm chasing this severe weather, and we had a vehicle accident. You can see the roads are pretty bad. Right down in there. Wind's still picking up, so the storm's still picking up, so we got traffic on 119. Traffic is starting to finally move. Well, those firefighters down there are really doing their job. Doing an excellent job. The wind's pretty bad. You can see the road's pretty solid ice.